Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the third chapter in third sum. Exercise 2.4 third sum. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus root 2x plus 3 equal to 0, form a quadratic polynomial with zeros 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. So this type of sums already we learned in 10th standard, alpha beta sums. We know the formula also. So first of all, the quadratic equation is here. So the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if sum of roots is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, then product of roots is alpha beta equal to c by a. Okay, this is we know well. We are using this formula here. So first of all, write the given equation x square plus root 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now comparing the basic equation, the a value is 1, b value is root 2, c value 3. So the sum of roots alpha plus beta, sum of roots equal to alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So substitute the b value and a value. So we get minus root 2. Product of roots alpha beta equal to c by a. So value is 3. But the given another root zeros, two zeros, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. So we are using these zeros and form a new quadratic equation. Okay, new quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation always form in x square, x constant, okay, the power value square 1 with the constant, okay, like this. So now we add the given two roots, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So if it is multiply in cross multiplication, alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So alpha beta value already found here. Okay, alpha beta minus root 2 divided by alpha beta value 3. Then product of roots 1 by alpha into 1 by beta equal to 1 by alpha beta. So alpha beta value is here 3. So this is the basic equation of quadratic, okay, power 2 value equation. So x square minus sum of root x plus product of root equal to 0. So x square minus the sum of roots value minus root 2 by 3 x plus product of roots value 1 by 3 equal to 0. If we take LCM 3 here, LCM 3. So 3x square minus into minus plus root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. The fourth sum, if 1 root of k x minus 1 whole square equal to 5x minus 7 is double the other root, Mostly we have learned in the 10th standard this type of sums, this exercise sums fully, okay. So one root is double the other root, So one root name is alpha, so double the other means 2 alpha, 2 alpha. So first of all we can simplify this equation in quadratic form, okay, but here it's not given quadratic form. We can arrange here k x minus 1 whole square equal to 5x minus 7 k this is a minus b whole square equal to 5x minus 7. So if it is multiply k inside, kx square k, then k into minus 2x 2kx plus 5x comes to left hand side, minus 5x minus 5 minus 7 comes to left hand side, plus 7 equal to 0. So kx square, take x in outside, okay, so minus x, 2k plus 5, so k plus 7. So now it is formed in quadratic equation x square x with constant, okay. So comparing the basic equation ax square plus bx plus c, we can write a value k, b value minus 2k plus 5, c value k plus 7. So sum of roots, so already we wrote the two roots alpha, 2 alpha. Sum of roots means alpha plus 2 alpha. Alpha plus 2 alpha equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus 2 alpha, 1 alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha equal to the b value minus 2k plus 5 by k. So alpha equal to 2k plus 5 by 3k. Then product of roots alpha 2 alpha equal to c by a. It is formula, okay. This is also formula. So 2 alpha into alpha 2 alpha square. C value k plus 7 by k. So k plus 7 by k. So alpha square equal to k plus 7 by 2k. So substitute in alpha value here, which is an alpha value. Alpha value 2k plus 5 by 3k whole square, because the question, the law product of roots having the power value 2. So here also put power value 2. So k plus 7 by 2k. So if it is square, come to inside 2k plus 5 whole square, we can write separately. Then 3k whole square, k plus 7 by 2k. Then a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab by 9k square equal to k plus 7 by 2k. Then 1k, k square 1k cancel, k square 1k cancel. Then this 2, this 2 multiply in left hand side. 2 4s are 8k square, 2 25s are 50, 2 20s are 40k equal to 9k square, 9k into 7, 9 into 7 are 63k. If we can arrange in 9k side, okay, if we arrange in right hand side all the values, okay, so we get in quadratic form k square plus 23k minus 50 equal to 0. So if it is find the value by factorize method, we can get k equal to minus 25, k equal to 2. Okay, so this answer only having the question, prove that part, prove the part. Okay, show that k equal to 2 or minus 25. If the difference of the roots of the equation 2x square minus a plus 1x plus a minus 1 equal to 0 is equal to their product, then proved that a equal to 2. Okay, if the difference of the roots, meaning, so first of all we consider two roots, the given equation. Okay, so alpha and beta be the two roots, so its difference is alpha minus beta, its product is alpha beta. So the given value alpha minus beta equal to alpha beta. So 2x square minus a plus 1x plus a minus 1 equal to 0. So comparing the basic equation, a equal to 2, b equal to minus a plus 1, c equal to a minus 1. So product of roots. So already we know this formula, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So the minus b value is here, minus into minus plus. So a plus 1 by a value 2. Like this c also, alpha beta equal to c by a. Like this product of roots also, alpha beta equal to c by a. So c value a minus 1 by 2. But see the given. Okay, so come to the given point, alpha minus beta equal to alpha beta. So already we found the alpha beta value. So substitute this place, alpha beta equal to a minus 1 by 2. So we know this is in 10th standard formula. I think all are memorized this formula. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square equal to 4 alpha beta. So substitute the alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta values here. Okay, alpha plus beta a plus 1 by 2 whole square minus alpha minus beta a minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 4. Then alpha beta value also substitute this place, a minus 1 by 2. If this cancel 2 here, but this square comes to inside, this is a plus 1 whole square. So a plus 1 whole square formula, a square plus 1 plus 2a. Here this square comes to inside, the 2 square value is 4. So like this in this place, so this place a minus b whole square formula, so equal to 2a minus 1. So then left hand side, see the left hand side part, the denominator value is the same. Okay, so take LCM method. So we can write the 4 is one time. Then numerator part, a square plus 1 plus 2a, then this minus go multiply inside. Okay, so this place become minus a square minus 1 plus 2a. If it is cancelled, we get 4a by a. Then right hand side 2a minus 1, this 2 multiply inside 2a minus 2, then 4 cancel, so a only is here, this a goes to right hand side, this minus 2 comes to left hand side. So a equal to a minus a equal to 2. Thank you, student.